Team Cutting Edge began as a student pitch project here at the Entertainment Technology Center at Carnegie Mellon University. The project was proposed out of a desire from the team to experiment with the usage of cuts and transitions in the VR space, a particular territory that seemed ripe for exploration. This isn't to say that cuts and transitions don't currently exist in contemporary VR experiences. They do. However, most of the time, these cuts and transitions are used to simply move a guest from one set piece to the next, with no concern as to how the cut itself could be used to enhance the overall storytelling of the piece. Team Cutting Edge has spent the last few months prototyping and experimenting with cuts and transitions in VR in the hopes that our most promising prototypes can be showcased in our final product, a 3 to 5 minute interactive animated VR experience that emphasizes the use of cuts and transitions for storytelling purposes. We began our work this semester by researching games and films that utilized editing in both novel ways and in ways that were central to the storytelling of the piece. From these films and games, we compiled a list of 4 different kinds of cuts and transitions that we wanted to experiment with in VR, which we termed gold spikes. In our gold spikes, we tried to replicate the kinds of cuts and transitions that we felt would either work best or would be relatively novel for VR. For instance, our second gold spike was inspired by a sequence from Satoshi Kon's Millennium Actress, which showcases a transition that acts as both a dissolve and a match cut, one where the protagonist's model morphs from one time period to the next. We tried to translate this 2D transition into a 3D environment by not only physically moving the character while the resulting dissolve or wipe occurs, but also by mapping the degree of the transition to the user's gaze in an effort to introduce a greater sense of interactivity. We've been working hard to put together our final product, a 3 to 5 minute interactive animated experience for VR that showcases the cuts and transitions that we've been experimenting with all semester. Additionally, at the conclusion of the semester, we will be uploading a Unity Asset Store package containing all the cuts and transitions that we've designed. This package will include different permutations of the kinds of transitions found in our gold spikes, as well as the ability to adjust different kinds of parameters, such as a transition's reversibility or speed. We hope that our final experience and our published development tools will inspire and innovate future teams to continue to build upon what we've made this semester.